for NOFne. The simple formula is hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. For our safety, for our simpleness, and for our memory, we divide these 10 elements into two groups. First one, baby group, and second one, Baba group. What is baby and Baba? So in baby group, the sequence is 2-1-2-1 for p molecular orbitals, while in Baba group the sequence is 1-2-2-1. What is baby and what is Baba? Let's take with the example of nitrogen and oxygen. Here we draw molecular orbital diagram of nitrogen molecules, and then we draw molecular orbital diagram of oxygen molecules. Let's start with nitrogen. Nitrogen 7 is equal to 2,5. Second nitrogen 7 is equal to 2,5, means 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. p orbitals are half filled, therefore we have to obey baby rule. What is baby rule? For MO diagram, at first we take first atomic orbital of nitrogen atom and also first atomic orbital of second nitrogen atom. First atomic orbital of nitrogen atom, and this is the atomic orbital of second nitrogen atom, 1s2, 1s2. According to our rule, when two atomic orbitals combine, they form two new molecular orbital. One is lower energy, known as bonding molecular orbitals. One is higher energy, known as anti-bonding molecular orbitals. When two atomic orbital combines, they form two new molecular orbitals. One is lower energy, known as bonding molecular orbitals, while one is higher energy, known as anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Now, distribution of electrons. There are 4 electrons. First electron goes here, second electron goes here, anti-bonding. In bonding in anti-parallel spin, anti-clockwise. Second electron goes here, third electron, and fourth electron goes here. So first, second, third, fourth. Now we combine with 2s. Second atomic orbital of nitrogen atom, atomic orbital of nitrogen atom, atomic orbital of nitrogen atom, 2s2. This is 1s2. Bonding molecular orbitals, anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Filling of electrons. First electron goes here, second here, After this, third electron goes here and fourth here. Now we discuss 2p3, 2p3. P orbital is divided into three parts: px, py, pz. As we discussed in overlapping, p orbitals overlaps sidewise as well as head-on. When it overlaps head-on, then formation of sigma bond takes place, and when it overlaps sidewise, then formation of pi bond takes place. First bond is always a sigma bond, and second bond is a pi bond. Here, three orbitals of p and three orbital of p of second nitrogen atom combines, and they form totally 6 new molecular orbitals. Out of these 6, 3 has lower energy known as bonding molecular orbitals, and 3 has higher energy known as anti-bonding molecular orbitals. When px overlaps, they form pi bond. When py overlaps, they also form pi bond. But when pz overlaps, it forms sigma bond. So here we obey the rules 21-21, means number of atomic orbitals is equal to 6. So we also formed 6 molecular orbitals. 3 has lower energy, while 3 has high energy. 2-1-2-1 means pi 2px, pi 2py, here sigma 2pz. As we discussed, when px overlaps, they form pi bond. As py overlap, they also form pi bond. According to formula 2-1-2-1, so we draw 2 MO bonding orbitals, and 1 it is also bonding molecular orbitals. तो ये py लेवल है, ये pz वाला है, इनकी एनर्जी लेस है, हमको सीक्वेंस रखना है 2-1-2-1 की, तो ये 2-1-2-1. It is pi anti-bonding 2px, it is pi anti-bonding 2py, that is sigma anti-bonding 2pz. Now filling of electrons. Here 6 electrons are present. First electron goes to this orbital, pi 2px. Second goes to pi 2py. Because the energy level of both are same, so according to Hund's law of maximum multiplicity, number of unpaired electrons जो है वो हमारे पास ज़्यादा होता है. जब तक पेयरिंग तभी होगी, पेयरिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स टेक्स प्लेस व्हेन देयर इज नो singly occupied electrons. So pairing of electrons takes place when there is no orbitals available. अब second, first यहाँ आ गया, second यहाँ आ गया, third यहाँ, fourth आएगा यहाँ पर, fifth यहाँ पर और sixth यहाँ पर. Now we have to calculate bond order. हमको bond order निकालना है. कैसे निकालेंगे बॉन्ड ऑर्डर हम? तो बॉन्ड ऑर्डर के लिए फॉर्मूला बॉन्ड ऑर्डर इज इक्वल टू NB माइनस NA डिवाइडेड बाय 2. NB माइनस NA डिवाइडेड बाय 2 निकालने के लिए सिंपल सा फंडा है. हम यहाँ से लिखते चलेंगे कि किस प्रकार से फिलिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है. तो सिग्मा 1s इसमें 2, सिग्मा एंटी बॉन्डिंग 1s इसमें 2, कॉमा सिग्मा 2s, सिग्मा एंटी बॉन्डिंग 2s, सिग्मा 2s में 2, कॉमा सिग्मा एंटी बॉन्डिंग 2s में भी 2, कॉमा पाई 2px में आपके पास में है 2, यहाँ इज इक्वल टू, क्यों लगा इज इक्वल टू? एनर्जी लेवल ऑफ बोथ आर सेम, बोथ इक्वल एनर्जीज, तो पाई 2py2 then sigma 2pz2. There are two ways: calculate the electrons present in bonding, then subtract electrons present in anti-bonding, और ये k शेल कंप्लीट है हमारे पास में, तो इसको हम लीव इट, ये k हो जाएगा, k शेल इज कंप्लीट। बॉन्डिंग की बात करते हैं, बॉन्डिंग में 2, 4, 6, 8, एंटी बॉन्डिंग में 2, तो 8 माइनस 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, 6 by 2 is equal to 3, so it is clear cut that nitrogen combines with other nitrogen atom with the help of triple bond. But in the case of oxygen, what to do? So in case of oxygen, O8 is equal to 2,6, means 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Second oxygen 2,6, 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. The first two things are common or same, but here this oxygen belongs to Baba group. That's why we have to obey 1, 2, 2, 1. You have to write 1, 2, 2, 1, means like this. Now second atomic orbital 2s2, when two atomic orbital combines, they form two new molecular orbitals, sigma 2s, sigma antibonding 2s. When p orbital combines, they form 6 new molecular orbitals. Out of 6, 3 has lower energy and 3 has higher energy. So we draw bonding and anti-bonding MO. Number of electrons is greater than 3 in p orbitals. That's why it obeys Baba law. According to Baba law, here we write 1 and 2 and then 2 and 1. 1 stands for sigma bond, 2pz sigma, pi 2px, pi 2py, pi antibonding 2py, pi antibonding 2px, pi antibonding 2py, sigma antibonding 2pz. Right, sigma 2pz. Here 2 electrons are present in s orbital. Here 2 electrons are present in s orbitals. First electron goes here, then second, third and fourth. 4 first, second, third, fourth. Here 8 electrons are present, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth. According to formula, bond order is equal to Nb minus Na divided by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 minus anti-bonding 2, 4, 5, 6 by 2 means 4 by 2 means double bond order is 2. Magnetic property, since in these orbitals unpaired electrons are present, so according to our formula UP, Uttar Pradesh, if unpaired electrons are present, the substance should be paramagnetic in nature. The bond order is 2 while the magnetic nature is paramagnetic. In this way, we can calculate the bond order of species. In case of H2 N2 plus 1, we have to subtract 1 electron from second. So here it becomes 2p2, here we write 2p2, number of electron decreases from here and the bond order will also change. In case of oxygen O2 plus 1, we have to subtract 1 electron from one oxygen atom only. It becomes 2p3. Then the bond order will also change. 1 electron from here it also come, and here the bond order is 10 minus 5 by 2 means 2.5. In case of negative ions, 1 electron is added, extra electron is added. So bond order 10 minus 7 means 3 by 2 means 1.5. The bond order of oxygen molecule is 2 while O2 plus 1 is equal to 1.5, 2.5, and in case of O2 minus 1 is equal to 1.5. So in competitive examination, they ask the question, arrange the species according to increasing or decreasing bond order. So you will calculate the bond order and then arrange the species according to this way. Now we discuss hydrogen bonding, a special type of bond called hydrogen bonding. In this topic, we study hydrogen bonding.